back to Mr. C's Cooking Experiment, center of the plate. Today we're going to show you how to do a stuffed chicken supreme, which is a chicken breast that has the wing joint still connected to it. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to break down a whole chicken and get to the supreme portion, and do a basil force meat that's going to be stuffed on the inside. I think you're really going to enjoy it. So, what do you say we get to it? Alright folks, here's what we got. We've got a 4-pound whole chicken, a third of a cup of heavy whipping cream, 5 large leaves of fresh basil, 1 large egg white. And we're going to put this cream, basil, and egg white to the side here while we show you how to break down this chicken. Those 3 pieces are going to be used for the mousse. So, when breaking down a whole chicken, you want to bring the legs towards you, okay? You're going to make an incision right here. You're going to pop out that joint like so. You can see this, okay? One leg, okay? There's the second leg, right? Then you're going to want to turn the chicken around. Peel down this skin, because it will come straight down. Alright? Get that skin off. Right, so now, you have the wishbone towards you, okay? You're going to want to make this incision straight down here on the backbone, straight through. Now, you'll see, you can see this? You can see the backbone there. You still have the tender attached. And you're going to get down to the wing joint. You're going to cut straight through. Okay? You're going to do that same thing on the other side as well. Alright, so now you've got your tender. You're going to take the tender and put it to the side. Now you're going to go and make an incision at that wing joint. You're going to pop that wing bone through, get rid of some of this fat. All right, now you have your chicken supreme. Now the next thing to do, turn it over. You're going to want to make an incision right here because you're making a pocket. You're not going to cut it and butterfly it all the way. You can see there is a pocket made. At the same time, turn around here, and we're going to take the tender and we're going to pound it out just a little bit. So what's going to happen here, folks, is we're going to fill this full of the mousse. I'm going to put this on top, then we're going to go and close it like that. All right? So what do you say we get on to the mousse part? Alright, for the basil force meat. So force meat means that we're taking another piece of the chicken and we're forcing it into the breast. So we've deboned the legs, which is a great way of using the entire chicken as well. So it's all going to go to an Cuisinart. I'm going to put an egg white in there. I'm going to put our basil in there as well. Start range. So about halfway through there, we're going to add in some salt. And our heavy cream. Going to curate that for about 4 minutes. Okay, so we are finished here. give you the consistency of this. As you can see, it's a nice solid mousse. We're going to be able to put it right into the chicken breast. And let's show you how to do that. All right, you're going to want to season the interior of your breast. Salt and pepper. Right. And we're going to put the mousse in like this. Remember, don't overstuff it because it will expand because of the egg white, but it will also come very nice and solid. And the cream makes it very soft as well. So, like that. Here is your tender. It will go right on top of that. We will fold these over. We're going to move on to the stove. All right, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Get a nice pan hot with some olive oil. And here's an important part here. You're going to want to go and sear this off where the skin side is up. You're going to seal that very, very well on the other side, because if you did it opposite, it would expand apart. So this is very important that this is how you start this breast. We're going to get it nice and crispy on each side, and then we're going to put it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Going to check the internal temperature and make sure that it's 165 degrees. All right, let's see how we did here. Oh, this is looking really nice. Okay, so as you can see, it's nice and brown on the top side. The other side is nice and sealed as well. We're going to let this rest for about 10 minutes before we slice it. Okay, our Supreme is ready to slice. So we're going to take this wing joint down first here. Leave it to the side. We will use that as a garnish. Slice on the bias here. These breasts are big enough probably to do 2 portions. But as you can see, nice and soft and green on the inside. So we're going to kind of switch places here with my plate. Right? Put a plate together for you. Right, so let's start with a little bit of mashed potatoes. A little bit off center there. Let's take 4 medallions. So alongside that. Now, I'm going to use this as a garnish here. Nice piece of broccoli in there on either side. And then I just recently did a Spanish video where we did Mojo Rojo sauce. So we're going to kind of put that around here. You'll notice I never do cover my food with the sauce. Why do all the work and then cover it up, right? And also some yellow pepper sauce to go along with it as well. And you have yourself a chicken supreme. Okay, there you have it, a stuffed breast of chicken supreme. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, please share it. It'd be greatly appreciated. Until next time, if you eat well, you're going to be well. Thanks for watching.